Hi students, you have learned about point, line, line segment and ray. Okay, so now in this session we will learn about types of lines. Okay, see student, now we will learn about types of lines. So see student, first we will learn about straight lines. Okay, see, a line that moves in the same direction without any turn is called a straight line. See student, what is definition of straight line? A line that moves in the same direction without any turn is called a straight line. Means if you observe those figures, then you came to know that they are moving in the same direction. Means if you talk about this line AB, then this AB line, it moves from A side, this side only, and from B, this side. Means it is moving same direction. They are not taking any turn. Okay, so these lines which is shown here in figure, these all are straight lines. See here in the given figures, AB, PQ and XY are straight lines. So you know that how to denote the lines. AB, PQ and XY all are the straight lines. Okay. Now next, from straight line there are different types. Okay. So from that, first type is horizontal line. A horizontal line is one which runs from left to right across the page. See, a horizontal line is one which runs from left to right. Means it is moving from left to right across the page. In the given figure, AB is a horizontal line. Okay. Now next type of straight line is vertical line. See, a vertical line is one which runs from top to bottom. Which runs from top to bottom. Look here, horizontal line runs from left to right, and vertical line, it runs from top to bottom. Okay, so in the given figure, XY is a vertical line. See student, these are the types of straight lines. Horizontal line which runs from left to right across the page, and vertical line which runs from top to bottom. Okay, now we will see next type. Next type is a slanting line. Okay, a straight line drawn with a slope is called slanting line. So if you observe those figures, see here, they have a slope. These are straight, but these figures have a slope. So these lines are called slanting line. So in the given figures, LM and PQ are the slanting lines. Slanting means which lines? A straight line drawn with a slope is called slanting line. Okay. Now next is parallel lines. Okay. See student, have you ever observed the railway track on which it runs? The rails of train track never meet each other. We can say that they are parallel. So if you travel in train and if you observe its track, then they are parallel to each other. Okay, means they continuously, here if you observe, those lines are straight and they never meet with each other. Okay, so they are straight. So these lines are called parallel lines. Now look at the horizontal lines in your notebook. See, horizontal lines, these are the horizontal lines. If you observe, the horizontal lines in your notebook, in your book, table, your bench, okay, window, door, then what do you observe? Two consecutive lines never meet and the distance between two lines always remains same. Such lines are called parallel lines. Also, if you observe the lines in your notebook, then also you will understood that these are the consecutive. Consecutive means one by one, and they never meet, and distance between two lines, it is always remains same, it does not change. So those lines are called parallel lines. See, this is the example of parallel line. A railway track and edges of your notebook, book, table, what I said, window, door. Okay, so here some examples of parallel lines are shown. Here opposite edges of ruler. Opposite means these. Okay, these edges also these. These are the parallel lines. Another example is opposite sides of rectangle. Okay, opposites of rectangle, also opposite sides of square. Okay, these are the parallel lines. So these are the some examples of parallel lines. In your daily life, you can see so many examples of parallel line. Now, next type is intersecting line. Okay, see, these are the some types of straight lines. See, look at the figure. See this figure. So if you observe this figure, then you will understand that here two lines. Okay, here two lines AC and BD cut each other. Okay. Next type is intersecting line. Okay. So look at the figure. Here two lines. Look here. AC and BD. They cut each other and the lines meet at a point O. Okay. So these lines are called intersecting lines. And this point, which point? O. This point is called point of intersection. See student, in this figure, two lines AC and BD, they cut each other at point O. So these lines are called intersecting line and the point is called point of intersection. So point of intersection is O. Now here are given some examples of intersecting line which we use while solving the example. See, which is this? Multiplication sign and addition sign. Okay, these are the some examples of intersecting line. Now, if also this addition sign we have used while solving the example as well as on first aid box. Okay, we use this sign. Now we will see next type is a curved line. See here, a line which is not straight is called a curved line. So see this figure. Is this straight? No. So it is moving. Okay. So in the given figure, a curved line PQ is shown. So PQ is the curved line. Means it is not going straight. It is moving. Okay. Now next point, these are the some types of line which we learned now. So from that, first one is horizontal line, second vertical line, third slanting line, next parallel lines, then intersecting lines and curved lines. Okay, now we will learn how to measure the line segments. Okay, so see student, measuring a straight line segments. So now you have learned so many types of lines. So from that, first we will learn measuring a straight line segment. A ruler is used to measure line segments. So, in your compass, have you seen rulers? Okay, so you have used this scale, or we can say that ruler. So, we use this ruler to measure line segments. Okay, so if you observe in this ruler, centimeters and inches are marked. See here, so here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till 15. Is it looking? These are in centimeter, and upside it's looking 1 to 6 number. These are in inches. Okay, so centimeters and inches are marked along the two edges of the rulers. The 0 mark is starting point. So 0 mark is the starting point of centimeters as well as inch. Let's learn to measure the length of line segment. Okay, to measure the length of line segment, first place the edge of the ruler showing the centimeters along the line segment AB. So see here we have take one example. So here we draw a line segment AB. We have to measure the length of this line segment. So to measure the length of line segment, we have to first place the edge of the ruler showing centimeters along the line segment AB. So centimeters edge we keep along this line. Remember to just O mark on the ruler at point A. See here A point is on the 0 mark, and read the ruler at point B. So this B point is on number 6. Okay, so the reading of the ruler at point B gives the length of the line segment AB. So we say that the length of line segment is 6 centimeter. Here the mark on the ruler is 6 centimeter. So length of line segment AB is 6 centimeter. In this way we can measure the length of different line segment by using ruler. Okay. Now next, measuring a curved line segment. So there are some steps you have to remember while measuring the curved line segment. So see this figure. Here drawn a curved line. See student, here is a curved line. Now take a thread. Okay, take a thread and place one of its ends along the curved line segment and cover the entire line segment with the thread till it reaches the other end of the segment. So this is the curved line, and here use a thread to measure the length of curved line segment, because with the help of ruler we cannot measure the length of curved line. Okay, because it is a not straight, it is curved. So to measure the curved line segment we have to need a thread. So how to measure with the help of thread? So see here cover the entire line segment with the thread till it reaches the other end of the segment. So here we have shown, look here, this is line segment and we use thread. Okay, so this point is a starting point and this point is a end point. So here we have to cover the entire line segment with the thread till it reaches the other end of the segment. Then mark a point on the thread using a color pen. So here we mark this point and this. So you have to mark this point using color pen where it reaches the other end. So here this is starting point and this is end point. So here mark with the color pen. Now take the thread and hold it tight. Okay, so here if you observe this figure, see here, this is a end point which is mark. Okay, so here now take the thread and hold it tight. Find the distance between color mark and one of the end of the thread using a ruler. This is the length of curved line segment. So here starting point, it is mark on the point number 0, and colored pen mark, it will be reach on number 5. So we say that the length of curved line segment is 5 centimeter. So here we have seen how to measure the length of straight line segment as well as curved line segment. Okay. Now we will solve question number first from exercise 2. So let's see first question. Identify the following lines as vertical, horizontal, slanting or curved. So students, you have learned about types of lines, means vertical, horizontal, slanting or curved line. So here are given the some figures. You have to identify those figures are vertical lines, horizontal lines, slanting or curved. So see first figure. Look here student. Here first figure is of horizontal line. So we have learned horizontal lines means which line? The lines, look here student. A horizontal line is one which runs from left to right across the page. See, a horizontal line is one which runs from left to right across the page. So, our first figure is of horizontal line. Okay. Second figure is slanting line. So, what is meant by slanting line? So, see here, slanting line. A straight line drawn with a slope is called a slanting line. Okay. So, second figure is of slanting line. Third one is a vertical line. Now, vertical lines means which line? Look here student. A vertical line is one which runs from top to bottom. Okay. A vertical line is one which runs from top to bottom. So third figure is of vertical line. And fourth figure is of curved line, which is not straight. Okay. The line which is not straight is called curved line. So figure D is curved line. And last one is slanting line. So now just we have learned slanting line means which line. Once time see, we will revise all the types of line. Okay. Horizontal line means a line in one which runs from left to right across the page. Vertical line means vertical line is one which runs from top to bottom. Slanting line, it is drawn with a slope, is called slanting line. Okay. And parallel lines, these are the consecutive lines which never meet and distance between two lines are always remains same. These lines are called parallel lines. And the lines which cut each other, so those lines are called intersecting line. And curved line, a line which is not straight, is called curved line. So okay, with the help of it students, we solve question number first of exercise 2. Okay, thank you.